everyone, welcome to New Parents in Training, and this video is going to be on toys or items that we use to help him to do tummy time. Our baby is not very good in doing tummy time, and it takes a while for him to like tummy time, and every time I put him on the floor, he just cries. So throughout the times we have purchased several items, and some of them they may have helped him to do the activity tummy time just to strengthen his body in preparation for crawling. All right, so I'm gonna link all those items in the description down below and where you can get them. So I'm gonna show you what we have. So what we have is the Infantino activity mat. Also, we have a floor mirror. There's multiple types of floor mirrors by different brands, but we have one that's by baby Einstein. Then we have the famous Boppy that I use for breastfeeding, and now I use it for tummy time as well. And one of his favorite toy is this baby Einstein take-along musical toy, and he loves it. Like, he grabs it all the time. And just random toys like books to help him grab them, especially the ones that make noise. He likes those as well. And lastly, I recently filmed a video on the skip hop mat, the one I'm sitting on. And this one is actually very neat because if the baby does decide to do turns and whatnot, or he hits his head, it's not such a harsh impact. All right, so I'm gonna talk about this one first. So we got this playmat as a second hand from our friend, and the baby seems to like it. There's so many different toys that we could readjust, and they can be taken out. And then they could be readjusted however you want them. And also it comes with this tummy time pillow, so I could position it under him. And then he also loves this mirror, so I could take this out, and then this is also something that he could also use to see himself. And the toys are very fun. There are different textures, there's some sounds, crackling, and I also like that these toys can be taken out and that can be used in car seats or strollers. And if I need to move this playmat out, I could just twist. Let me get up. Twist and turn, and then carry it with me. And once I go to the final destination, I could prop it back up just by pushing it. And then, there it is, the playmat again. All right, so I like the Boppy to use it after he's finished eating. So I could prop him like this for just a few minutes. So that he could easily digest his food. And maybe after 15-20 minutes, after he's propped and playing with his toys, then I could switch him to tummy time. Let me switch. So this way, he's not hitting his tummy to the floor and pushing all his food out. So this is a good transition after he's done eating. And I just usually put some toys here. Where's my toys? He likes to do tummy time on this Boppy after I put some toys in here so he could start playing with them. And the one I want to show you guys is this floor mirror so he could see himself. He loves to see himself. Discovered that there's actually another baby or himself. And this floor mirror, this is from baby Einstein. So it has little flashcards and teach the baby on different cartoons. There's a giraffe, the tiger, and I think that's a bird. And there's very bright colors, so he likes them. Now that he's older, now he's about 8 months, he seems like he's able to move out of the Boppy, so we don't really use this as much as we used to. But I think this is very helpful, more so on the earlier months. baby loves to play with the crinkle next to the mirror. Look, baby. Baby. No, look over here. Circles. Hey! And this floor mirror, it doesn't need to stay on the floor. It can also be propped into the activity center. So I could prop it here, and then he could play with it. I think he wants to play with the camera. And one of his favorite toys is this baby Einstein take-along musical toy. And he loves it so much because once he touches, there's different colors, and there's about 10 different music songs that plays along every time he plays with it. Other things about this musical toy is that it has different volumes. It has low volume and also high volume. And something that I really like about this toy is that it came with batteries. Now that the toys comes in with batteries, it saves me a hassle of getting new batteries for this toy. It's quite durable. We have had it for a good, I say about 3 months now, and the battery seems to last very long. Alright, so I hope you enjoy some of our review of some of the toys and items that we give for Jacob to do tummy time. He still doesn't like tummy time, and it's a struggle for us to do tummy time. But there are no toys to really replace the time you spend with the baby. And so tummy time is so important to do. So we try to do them multiple times a day, just for a few minutes, knowing that he doesn't like to do tummy time. And just to be interactive with him, talking to him, and being at the same level as him. So I even myself do tummy time with him and play with him with the different toys, even though he doesn't like it. So I hope that with tummy time, and the more time he spent on the floor, it will strengthen his muscles so that he could learn how to crawl and even to sit up better without much support. And so that's all, everyone, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to give thumbs up and also to subscribe and share our video.